Hi, Joy. Good morning. You made some really good points about interaction. And one of the things I wanted to mention is that as we consider interaction and how to build that into a course, it's really, really important to consider our audience. And I know we talked a lot about that in the last class that we worked together in, but it's critical here too. And so as an example, when I work with my instructional design students at Plymouth, typically people are pretty motivated. Just having them respond to certain prompts, encouraging them to ask questions, that's usually enough to get some interaction going. But I work for another school where the students are post-secondary, but they are pursuing certificates. Most of them are not on a bachelor's track. It's a very different type of organization, different type of student. So I have to think about, okay, how am I going to get these students to interact? What's going to engage them in a way that may or may not work for my Plymouth State students? So I'm just wondering what you see in your future in terms of courses you're likely to design and the types of things that would be most valuable for your students.